Guys, I'm Richard and I want to help you out. If you, PlayStation 4 players, I want to help you out. If you're currently your account sucks and you don't have the characters you like I just want D-Look, and on my main account, I've already I'm already on the late game, AR 30 plus, and ran out of content. I got almost all of the chests and the Geoculus and Monoculus and almost all the story quests. The only quests left are the ones that you have to unlock. So this is my second account when I tried to first tried the reroll. And hold on, I will show you in a moment my main account and the characters that I have. But they're not enough, and I want D-Look. I just only want D-Look in my life. And I was thinking of subscribing to Moon in the Welkin and get some PRIMOGEMS because it's gonna be my birthday on the 26th of November, and who knows, and I might get lucky and let's see, and I can buy PlayStation Network gift cards, and I can have a Moon in the Welkin subscription blessing whatever for about 2 months for very cheap, like $4 or $5 per month, which is not bad. But still, I've been thinking about it for a couple of weeks. I've been calculating it almost once in a while, every other day, if I can, if it's really worth it. I calculated how much gems I can get for free with the dailies, and since there's no content, so it's like from the daily commissions you only get one wish per month. With a monthly Moon in the Welkin subscription, you get like one and a half wish, which is really terrible. You can buy some, what do you call it, acquaint fate and whatever every month. This is very limited, like five each, and five of the other one, the purple and the blue. So I've decided to play a new game plus, and I researched around, and I got no answers. You can't do that. On the PS4, even you cannot delete an account. I saw one post that he had to replace the hard disk, internal hard disk, but you do not have to do that. Okay, since there are no platinum trophies for Genshin Impact, it's really, what I'm gonna do is really not a deal breaker. It's easier than anything. Simply just make a new account. So here's my main account with my main Genshin Impact account. I already made the second account before, but I'm not sure which one here. So I'm gonna check if this is the one. If this is the one, I'm not going to go through with it. I'm not gonna use it, so I'm gonna use a different account. It's very simple, very easy, no problem. And I can start all over again, get some gems every day, and hopefully get the look. And based on my experience, do not wish on the other featured 5 star. If you're free to play, just make a new account and focus all of your gems all of your Primogems wishes on the banner. Let's say if you want Diluc, just use it on the banner that has Diluc. If you want Jean, keep on wishing on the banner that has Jean. Who knows, you might get lucky. If you do get lucky and you get the character you want, and that's the time that you can use your Primogems to wish on the account that on your new account. So that's the time you can wish for other banners for other accounts, because you do not know if you might like the characters or not. I mean, you can see them on the see their gameplay and how strong they are, but do you really need them? For me, I just need the look, and if I keep on wishing on Klee, then I will have 2 fire characters, and I just need 1. And I don't want to give myself a present that's not sure on my birthday or Christmas. So I will be spending money to give myself a present for a chance to win Diluc. It's not even sure, because the drop rates are pretty low. It's very much not guaranteed. So since I've run out of content anyway, and it really made me stop playing Genshin Impact. I'm at level 60. Barbara, Sucrose, Lisa, they're the ones that I really need. It's a problem here. Yes. Hold on a minute. So why just not start a new game? And get a few chapters in, get thousands of Primogems for free, for easy, just a couple of days, and then rather wait for the Moon in the Vulcan 90 Primogems per day. I need 1 month. I need a half a month to make a wish. It's really a waste of time. So this is the account, the second one. Let's see how much Primogems it got. So I got unlucky with this one. Let's see the mail here. Crap. Bunch of crap. Okay, let's try a single wish on this account before I forget about it totally. Right, because since I ran out of content on my main account, I've been playing Honkai Impact, which is a far more superior game combat wise, and it's easier to get new awesome OP badass characters compared to this. Well, sorry, my camera does not have focus. It came blurry, so I'm gonna buy some. Oh, I think it's still locked. Well, anyway, it's not gonna be worth it, so whatever. So at least this account, I'm sure this account has the is my second account, so I'm gonna use this account with my PS Plus. So I'm gonna start a new game today. Oops, let me close the application. Man, my gaming phone sucks. Camera does not have autofocus. Maybe I can work around that by getting a camera application that has. Oh, alright, so new account. No problem. It's really easy to make a new account in PlayStation Network. It just takes about like 5 to 10 minutes if you're already used to it. If not yet, check out some guides, or I may make a guide if I need to make a new account. So do subscribe and stay tuned. Start a new game. Problem is we cannot skip this. First, I'm going to show you on my PC. So this is the game that I've been playing from the same developer, More Badass, More Waifus, Honkai Impact on PC, and I can use the PS4 controller. On this game, but that's why I play Genshin Impact on the PS4, because I want to play wirelessly using the PS4 controller. I love this thing. So this is gonna take a while, so I'm gonna use a male character this time. Okay, so that's it. So that's how you make a new account on the PS4. So easy, no problem. So alright, and over here is Honkai Impact loading. Just let me show you Honkai Impact real quick. You can use the mouse or keyboard, or connect a Captain on the bridge, or connect a PS4 controller. So it's blurry. Apologies. Okay, I will just edit a video into the game, into the this video later. So pretty awesome. So I've been playing for a day and a half, and I've already got a lot of awesome characters. And compared to Genshin Impact, I don't really have a really awesome melee character. I don't like I only got Razor, but I don't like him. I just want Diluc as my main melee DPS character, because I'm using mages so far in Genshin Impact. So that's it. Please like and subscribe for more helpful tips. I'll be here to help you. And I also post other video games on my channel. So this is a personal channel, and I post everything I love on just one channel, because having one channel is more practical than having multiple channels. Okay, so that's it for today. Good luck, and see you on the new Game Plus for Genshin Impact.